Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw contacts from Zoho CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw contacts from Zoho CRM, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the Contacts module in the main menu. In the Contacts module, locate and select the All Contacts view to see your complete list. To filter contacts, use the search bar or apply relevant filters based on your needs. Select the contacts you wish to withdraw by checking the box next to each contact's name. For bulk selection, you can also use the checkbox at the top to select all visible contacts on the page. Once your contacts are selected, look for the More button located at the top right of the contact list. Click on the More button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, choose the Export option. You will be prompted to select the format for your export file. Choose your preferred format, such as CSV or XLSX. After selecting the format, click on the Export button to proceed. Your export will begin, and you will be notified when it is complete. Once the export is complete, you can download the file directly from the notification. Check your Downloads folder to locate the exported contact file. Open the file using spreadsheet software to verify the contacts have been withdrawn successfully. You now have a comprehensive list of your contacts extracted from Zoho CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.